Hi everybody, this is Sonia again. I just wanted to show you some little envelopes that I made, and I want to show you how to fold them and how I decorated them. After you fold them, they're about 3 by 2¼ inches. And I just take a 6x6 pad. I'll show you how I fold. Put those two top corners in. Crease them really good, and then you fold the side panel in to the crease in the middle. Make sure you fold them real good. I wasn't folding or creasing them real good, and then you fold the bottom up to the edges, and then the bottom flaps you fold in, and these flaps will then be tucked into the inside of the envelope. It almost seems like it's impossible, yet it works. It took me a little bit. There. I got it in there, and then you fold the top down, you crease, and that's your little envelope. And I took some gesso, and I wanted to put a little bit on there that kind of toned down the color just a tad. So I used a little bit of gesso, front and back. These are really nice to put in your journals, put in a pocket. They're small, they fit really well. A little more gesso. Then I use a brad and poke a hole in there, and I put the brad in for part of my closure, like I did with those other ones. And then I use some baker's twine to wrap around. Use some black and white baker's twine just to wrap around that brad. And then I wrap a couple times, turn it around, cut my string. And then I'm going to put a little sticker. I have a little mushroom sticker. And some of these stickers you actually have to have a little piece of tape to get them off. So just to add a little decoration. So there is my little envelope. Isn't that cute? I think they look really nice. I also wanted to add some little goodies in the envelope. So when you put it in your journal, it's kind of a little tuck spot that you can put some added little doodads in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you how I did these, give you some ideas about your journals. See you later. Bye-bye.